Access to modern, industry-standard technology is one of many things that sets UF's Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering program apart. We're here with Sean Nemi to learn more. Sean, tell us about who you are and what you do here.
So I'm Sean Nemi. I'm an instructional professor in the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. I run this shop space where we teach students how to safely operate modern manufacturing equipment, and then also how to use that knowledge to influence their design decisions as mechanical engineers.
How much influence does having access to that equipment help your students in their career paths?
I think it's huge, and also a lot of our industry partners think that it's huge for our students. They come into a job as a design engineer having a better understanding of what is actually possible to be made. A lot of the problems with design are that you can design anything in a computer, but if you can't make it, it can never go to market. And so having that context of what's actually possible really helps to set our students apart when they are going and looking for jobs. It also has the benefit of giving them a really nice portfolio, which again helps to set them apart from a lot of our other peer institutions.
Tell us more about the specific equipment here.
One half of the shop is entirely manually operated machines, and the other half of the shop is all computer controlled machines. Really what sets it apart is that we have this space at all. A lot of mechanical engineering programs do not have large machine shops that are utilized by primarily undergraduate students. Typically it's a technician or graduate students that are running the space, and this is almost entirely run by undergraduate students and operated by undergraduate students. And I think that's really the thing that sets it apart, is having a facility that's accessible to students who are laying that foundation of their education.
If you'd like to learn more about how UF fosters hands-on learning, stay tuned for updates from their Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering department.